Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a character in Linky AI. So the first step you need to do is to open Linky AI. So once you open, you simply need to click on the plus in the bottom, and here you can see welcome to Linky. Please log in on your chat history might be lost. So I want to log in with Facebook. So select any of your account, Facebook or your Google. So I'm going with my Facebook. Okay, in the bottom you can see IP characters and original characters. Click on original characters, select your gender. So I want to create a female. Give your character name. So I'm going to name Lisa for example. Hit enter. Select your right character description here and information about the profession, personality, relationship, feature, setting, scene, plot, and how you want your girl to be look. You can select from here, and you can add some style imitation from here and click on generate, and after that it will start generating. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.